Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am starting a new project. My goal is to build a YouTube research AI agent completely from scratch. This AI agent will eventually help me research niches, analyze channels, and generate reports automatically. Today is day 1. Our goal is our AI agent will open YouTube automatically, search keywords, collect data, analyze report or analyze that data and generate reports for us. I got this idea after seeing people talk about AI agents and niche research. Basically, I am also a beginner and I want to open a YouTube channel and I have not idea from where I should start. So I search many niches and not satisfied. Instead of buying a tool, I decided to build one myself. The final goal is to create a system that can search YouTube, collect information, and help me find opportunities. First of all, I created a project folder on my desktop and named it YouTube Niche Agent. Here you can see that. Then I opened it inside VS Code. Here, through the command button, file, and you can select that folder inside your VS Code. Every software project starts with the proper workspace. I named mine YouTube Niche Agent. Here you can see that. After that, I created a virtual environment through the command py means Python -m when we. I created a virtual environment through this command. I am still learning. This is also a good habit to develop early. And in then terminal window, I install the Playwright through the command pip install Playwright. Playwright will automatically install and download the browser, for example Chrome browser and Firefox. Here you can see that I failed many times and faces many errors, and most of the errors about virtual environment and installing Playwright. If you will also face any errors, then you don't need to worry about these errors because everyone learns from the mistakes. Here I face the error. Here you can see that it's downloading Firefox and I don't need Firefox. I only need the Chrome browser for opening YouTube automatically. So it downloaded the Chrome, so I ignore this error. I faces also many errors, for example Python not recognized, PowerShell issues, and there is one thing which is very important. If you are facing any error during a virtual environment, and here you see that if there is PowerShell, then you have to change your command for creating the virtual environment, and the command is when we /scripts/activate.ps1. This command works when there is a PowerShell, and if there is no PowerShell, then you can create the virtual environment through the command which I already tell you, and here that command is py. Through this command created the virtual environment. I face many errors and problems during these commands, but after troubleshooting and learning step by step, I managed to solve them. After that, I write a code for opening the YouTube automatically. It's a Python code, and here you see that code. After the setup was completed, this code is written. The purpose of this script was simple: open a browser, open YouTube, and provide that browser automation is working correctly. Most important part. This is the main.py. This is the main file. This open the Chrome opens automatically, YouTube opens automatically, and now we open the or run the Python code through the command, which is py python main dot py, because main.py is our file name, and we run this command, and here you see that the browser opens automatically. Python launches YouTube successfully. This might look simple, but this is the actually the foundation of the entire AI agent project. Everything we build later will depend on this automation. Uh, our day one completed, and in day one we perform browser automation and open YouTube. Next we'll automate search. Day one is officially completed. We now have browser automation working. In day two, I will automate YouTube search. Instead of opening YouTube manually, the program will search keywords automatically. If you would like to follow this journey, please subscribe and stay tuned. This is only the beginning. We are building a complete YouTube research AI agent from scratch. See you in day 2. Kindly subscribe my channel.